Happy New Year 2026 onwards to us all. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BS City, speaking to you over the video. And Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, is my first book. Among my 22 books, yes, I am a writer of 22 books, journalism teacher, and school paper advisor, university professor, New York City school teacher here in the USA where I am, and also outstanding teacher and president of the Teachers Association, and also I train teachers. I am a teacher trainer of all teachers here in New York City, New York, USA where I am. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy and safe. And if I could mention some of my accomplishments that I am God presence have blessed me, and I'm sure that you are also very blessed with all your talents and blessings. And you will notice, how was your Christmas celebration, by the way, and your New Year's celebration? May the I am God presence continue to bless us with long lives, prosperity, good health, peace, unity, compassion, forgiveness, harmony, peace, happiness, love, and light yours all, right now and continuously, and so it is. You will notice Saint Joseph, Lady Mary, and baby Jesus in the picture on your left. This is not about religion but consciousness that we are all gods and goddesses, children of one creator source, right here within our heartbeats. And Saint Joseph, the word saint means holy brother and holy sister. Saint Joseph is a picture, a role model for justice, equal treatment. And Lady Mary is telling us that we should focus on good things. And baby Jesus, he's now grown up. His message is we should also celebrate our birthday every day as Christ. Christ means unconditional love, because the I am creator is right here within our heartbeats. And so I would like to give my love, light, and gratitude and honor blessings to my I am presence within my heartbeats, within your heartbeats, within all of humanity's heartbeats. We are all gods and goddesses indeed, brothers and sisters, because we are the children of one creator source. And I would like to also give my love, light, and gratitude to my beloved parents, all my brothers and sisters and their own families, and also to all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so, and I appreciate you all deep in my heart. In Tagalog, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng unang-una sa may kapal, na tumitibok sa ating mga puso, sa inyong puso, at sa lahat ng puso ng tao. Tayo po ay Diyos din dahil anak tayo lahat ng may kapal. Kung nagkakamali man po ang ibang tao, o tayo rin, hindi naman po tayo naman po nagkakamali rin, ibig sabihin napapalayo tayo sa liwanag ng may kapal. Kaya po, tumuon tayo sa ating may kapal na tumitibok sa ating mga puso. And welcome once again, in English, welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. And today, we are going to study Tagalog. First syllable ta, second syllable ga, third syllable log. The accent is in the second syllable, so you pronounce this as Tagalog. Tagalog. And Castilla. First syllable kas, second syllable ti, third syllable la. The accent is in the second syllable T. So you pronounce this as Castilla. Castilla. Now, our Tagalog language have Spanish words. For example, halimbawa, ventana is a Spanish word that means in Tagalog, durungawan. Durungawan. First syllable du, second syllable ru, third syllable nga, fourth syllable wan. The accent is in the third syllable nga. Durungawan. Durungawan. That means in Spanish, bintana. In English, window. Tagalog word, pinggan. Pinggan. First syllable ping, second syllable gan. The accent is in the second syllable, so we say this Tagalog, pinggan. In English, it's plate. In Spanish, plato. 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 First syllable pla, second syllable to. The accent is in the first syllable, plato. Tagalog word, larawan. Larawan. In English means picture. First syllable la, second syllable ra, third syllable wan. The accent is in the second syllable ra. So we say this as we pronounce this, excuse me please, larawan. Larawan. This means in English picture. In Spanish, this is retrato. Retrato. First syllable ret, second syllable ra, third syllable to. The accent is in the second syllable, so you pronounce it as retrato. Picture in English. Tagalog word, aklat. 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 This means book in English. First syllable ak, second syllable lat. The accent is in the second syllable, aklat. Aklat. In English, this means book. Excuse me, please. In Spanish, libro. Libro. The first syllable is lib. Second syllable is ro. The accent is in the second syllable, libro. Libro, that means book. In Spanish, in English and Spanish is libro. Tagalog, aklat. Aklat. The reason why we are comparing Tagalog with Spanish word is because Spain, the country of Spain, colonized the Philippines for more than 350 years. In fact, the name Philippines is from the king of Spain, Philip, and the pins is from Josephine Bracken, the girlfriend of Ferdinand Magellan. This is according to the historian King Mamay Abdurrajak. And so that's why we are comparing almost all of the Filipinos' words are in Spanish. Even my name is Spanish, even though I was not born in Spain. But Spain ruled or colonized the country for more than 350 years, and according to my grandparents, my parents, and neighbors and teachers, the Spanish colonial rule required, mandated, that all names of the people be in Spanish. That's why my name is Spanish. That's why my students ask if I am Spanish, and I said no. And I tell them the history of my country. It was colonized by Spain for more than 350 years, and Spain required or mandated that all people should be named Spanish. So that is the story there. And another Tagalog word mostly are in Spanish or Castile in English. Damit, damit, first syllable da, second syllable mit. The accent is in the second syllable, damit, damit. This means clothing. And in Spanish or Castilla, vestida. This is for female, and vestido for male. And so let's review the Spanish words that is incorporated in the Tagalog word because the country was named after King Philip of Spain and the girlfriend Josephine Bracken of Ferdinand Magellan, who also spread Christianity in the country. And Spain colonized the country, the Philippines, for more than 350 years, and they required all the people who will be born for more than 350 years. Imagine that. Excuse me, please. That's a long time to colonize a country. Spain required that all the names of the people will be named Spanish. And that's why my students ask if I was born in Spain or in Puerto Rico or other Spanish-speaking countries, and I said no. My country was colonized by Spain for more than 350 years, and they require that all the names of the children to be born will be Spanish. That's why our Tagalog have Castilla or Spanish names. And so we will review Durungawan, in English window, in Spanish bintana or ventana. Bintana is also written in Tagalog with ba. And this means in Tagalog, Durungawan, window. And so many people also use the Castilla or Spanish word bintana. Next is pinggan. This is plate in English, and so many people also use the Spanish word plato, plato. And the Tagalog word larawan, larawan. In English, this is picture, and so many people in the Philippines also use the Castilla or Spanish word retrato, retrato, which is picture as well. In Tagalog, aklat. Aklat is the Tagalog word for book, but many people also use the Spanish or Castilla word libro, libro. In Tagalog, we say damit, damit. This is clothing in English, but so many people in the Philippines also use the Castilla or Spanish word for vestida for females and vestido, clothing for male. And so I hope you learned something today. And by the way, you might be asking Secret Miracles of Torres, Jude and Blaze in This My Pen, book by yours truly, speaking to you about the video, Miss Juanita Gutierrez. This is one of my 22 books, Secret Miracles of Torres, Jude and Blaze. Saint Therese will give you a bouquet of roses when she hears your prayers. Saint Jude is going to help you in difficult cases or problems or concerns you have. And Saint Blaise, the word saint means holy brother, holy sister. Saint Blaise will help you if you have fish bone in your throat or any concerns in your throat. And so I put all the miracles of Secret Miracles of Therese, Jude and Blaise in this my book. I was helped by 3 of them, and I'm sure you will be receiving help from them as well when you call them. And more information in all my 22 books. And Speak Tagalog is my first book published in 2014. And all my 22 books you will find worldwide at Amazon, outskirtspress.com, all bookstores near you, worldwide, globally, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Enjoy the happiest of New Year 2026. And moving forward, have a nice day always.